Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Jira Plans. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Jira application and navigate to the Plans section in the left side menu. Once there, click Create Plan to start building your roadmap. Next, give your plan a clear and meaningful name. This helps your team understand its purpose at a glance. Then choose your privacy setting, either public or private if you want to keep it restricted. After that, select the boards, projects, or filters you want to include in your plan. Once that's done, assign work to your teams. You can also toggle visibility for specific work items based on team assignments for added flexibility. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Create to finalize your plan. Now that your plan is ready, let's explore some important sections. The timeline is where you'll see all your scheduled issues laid out visually, allowing you to track progress at a glance. The team section lets you monitor performance, adjust assignments, and keep everyone aligned throughout the project. Lastly, the dependencies section gives you a visual view of connected issues, helping you identify tasks that rely on others to be completed first. And that's it. So that is how you can use Jira Plans. So that's all for this video. Thanks.